Chapter 3. Now in the 15th year of the rule of Tiberius Caesar, Pontius Pilate being ruler of Judea, and Herod being king of Galilee, his brother Philip king of the country of Iturea and Trachonitis, and Lysanias king of Abilene.
现在凯撒提比略执政的第15年，本丢比拉多是犹太的统治者，希律是加利利的王，他的兄弟腓力是伊图拉和特拉科尼蒂斯国的王，利萨尼亚是亚比利的王。
When Annas and Caiaphas were high priests, the word of the Lord came to John, the son of Zacharias, in the wasteland. And he came into all the country round about Jordan, preaching baptism as a sign of forgiveness of sin for those whose hearts were changed.
亚拿和该亚法做大祭司的时候，主的话语临到撒加利亚的儿子约翰，在荒地上，他来到约旦河周围的所有国家，传讲洗礼，作为赦免那些心已改变的人的罪的标志。
As it says in the book of the words of Isaiah the prophet, the voice of one crying in the wasteland, make ready the way of the Lord, make his roads straight.
正如先知以赛亚的话书中所说，有声音在荒地呼喊，使主的路预备好，使他的路正直。
Every valley will be lifted up, and all the mountains and hills made low, and the twisted will be made straight, and the rough ways smooth, and all flesh will see the salvation of God.
所有的山谷都要升高，所有的山和丘陵都要低下，曲折的路要变直，崎岖的路要变平，所有的人都要看见神的救恩。
So he said to the people who went out to him for baptism, You offspring of snakes, at whose word are you going in flight from the wrath to come?
所以他对那些出去找他受洗的人说，你们这些蛇的后裔，是听谁的话逃出将要来的愤怒呢？
Make clear by your acts that your hearts have been changed, and do not say to yourselves, We have Abraham for our father, for I say to you that God is able from these stones to make children of Abraham.
你们要用行为表明你们的心已经变了，不要自己说，我们有亚伯拉罕为父，因为我告诉你们，神能从这些石头中造出亚伯拉罕的子孙来。
And even now the axe is put to the root of the trees, and every tree which does not have good fruit will be cut down and put into the fire. And the people put questions to him, saying, What have we to do?
现在斧头已经砍在树根上，凡没有好果子的树都要砍下来，放在火里。众人向他发问，说：我们当怎样行呢？
And he made answer and said to them, He who has 2 coats, let him give to him who has not even one, and he who has food, let him do the same.
他回答说：有2件衣服的，就分给那没有衣服的；有食物的，也照样分给他。
Then tax farmers came to him for baptism and said to him, Master, what have we to do? And he said to them, Do not make an attempt to get more money than the right amount.
这时，税农到他那里去受洗，对他说：师傅，我们该怎么办呢？他对他们说：你们不要妄想多得钱财。
And men of the army put questions to him, saying, And what have we to do? And he said to them, Do no violent acts to any man, and do not take anything without right, and let your payment be enough for you.
又有军中的人问他说：我们有什么事呢？他对他们说：不要对人施暴，也不要乱拿东西，让你们的钱够用。
And while the people were waiting, and all men were questioning in their hearts about John, if he was the Christ or not.
众人等候的时候，众人心里都疑惑约翰，他到底是不是基督？
John made answer, saying to them all, Truly, I give you baptism with water, but one is coming who is greater than I, whose shoes I am not good enough to undo. He will give you baptism with the Holy Spirit, and with fire.
约翰回答说：我实在给你们水的洗礼，但有一位比我更大的要来，我不好脱他的鞋，他要给你们用圣灵和火的洗礼。
In whose hand is the instrument with which he will make clean his grain. He will put the good grain in his store, but the waste will be burned in the fire which will never be put out.
他的手中有工具，要把他的粮食洗净，他要把好的粮食放在他的仓库里，废料却要烧在永不熄灭的火里。
And so comforting them with these and other words, he gave the good news to the people. But Herod the king, because John had made a protest on account of Herodias, his brother's wife, and other evil things which Herod had done.
于是用这些话和其他的话安慰他们，把这好消息传给百姓。但希律王因约翰为他兄弟的妻子希罗底和希律所行的其他恶事提出抗议。
Did this most evil thing of all, and had John shut up in prison. Now it came about that when all the people had been given baptism, Jesus, having had baptism with them, was in prayer, when, the heaven being open.
就做这罪恶的事，把约翰关在监里。后来众人都受了洗，耶稣和他们一起受了洗，正在祷告，这时天开了。
The Holy Spirit came down in the form of a dove, and a voice came from heaven, saying, You are my dearly loved Son, with whom I am well pleased.
圣灵以鸽子的形状降下来，有声音从天上来说：你是我的爱子，我所喜悦的。
And Jesus at this time was about 30 years old, being the son, as it seemed, of Joseph, the son of Heli, the son of Mathat, the son of Levi, the son of Melchi, the son of Jani, the son of Joseph, the son of Mattathias, the son of Amos, the son of Nahum, the son of Yesli, the son of Nagai.
这时耶稣约有30岁，是希利的儿子约瑟的儿子，好像是马塔他的儿子，利未的儿子，麦尔奇的儿子，耶拿的儿子，约瑟的儿子，马塔提亚的儿子，阿摩斯的儿子，那红的儿子，以斯利的儿子，那盖的儿子。
The son of Mott, the son of Mattathias, the son of Samain, the son of Josech, the son of Joda, the son of Joanan, the son of Risa, the son of Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, the son of Neri, the son of Melchi, the son of Addi, the son of Cusam, the son of Elmadam, the son of
马塔提亚斯的儿子马斯，塞米因的儿子，约瑟的儿子，约达的儿子，约安的儿子，瑞萨的儿子，所罗巴伯的儿子，谢尔提的儿子，尼里的儿子，Melchi 的儿子，Addi 的儿子，Cosam 的儿子，Elmadam 的儿子的儿子。
The son of Jesus, the son of Eliezer, the son of Joram, the son of Mathat, the son of Levi, the son of Simeon, the son of Judas, the son of Joseph, the son of Jonam, the son of Eliakim, the son of Meliah, the son of Menah, the son of Mattatha, the son of Nathan, the son of David.
耶稣的儿子，埃利泽的儿子，约林的儿子，马塔特的儿子，利未的儿子，西门的儿子，犹大的儿子，约瑟的儿子，约南的儿子，以利亚敬的儿子，弥勒的儿子，门纳的儿子，马塔塔的儿子，拿丹的儿子，大卫的儿子。
The son of Jesse, the son of Obed, the son of Boaz, the son of Salmon, the son of Nashon, the son of Aminadab, the son of Arni, the son of Hezron, the son of Perez, the son of Judah, the son of Jacob, the son of Isaac, the son of Abraham, the son of Terah, the son of Nahor.
叶希的儿子，俄贝德的儿子，波阿斯的儿子，沙门的儿子，拿顺的儿子，亚米拿达的儿子，亚尼的儿子，希斯伦的儿子，佩雷斯的儿子，犹大的儿子，雅各的儿子，以撒的儿子，亚伯拉罕的儿子，他拉的儿子，纳和的儿子。
The son of Sirach, the son of Ru, the son of Peleg, the son of Eber, the son of Shelah, the son of Canaan, the son of Arphaxad, the son of Shem, the son of Noah, the son of Lamech.
塞鲁格的儿子，鲁的儿子，比勒的儿子，以伯的儿子，谢拉的儿子，迦南的儿子，亚法沙的儿子，闪的儿子，挪亚的儿子，拉麦的儿子。
The son of Methuselah, the son of Enoch, the son of Jared, the son of Mahalaleel, the son of Canaan, the son of Enos, the son of Seth, the son of Adam, the son of God.
马土撒拉的儿子，以诺的儿子，雅列的儿子，马哈拉列的儿子，该南的儿子，以诺的儿子，赛特的儿子，亚当的儿子，神的儿子。